Hello, in this video I'm going to show you where to find legal notices on the iPhone. So, today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same. So, let's go to the settings, then you want to go to the general section, which is this icon right here, just click on it, and by swiping down you're going to find legal and regulatory. So here, let's click on this one, and now the first option is going to be called legal notices. So just click on this one, and here you are going to find the legal notices of the iPhone. So as you can see, you can swipe down and you are going to find every legal notices for every country. And as you can see, there is a lot of text that you can read. So yeah, this is it. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!